Gorilla Glue, if you want to sponsor me, I'll take it. So one of my tabs on the headlights has broken, so what I'm going to do, obviously pull it, so it is Torx bits, pull them, you can see it's broken here. So what I'm going to do is, so you can see it's broken here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a piece of tape to kind of hold it down, and then use some Gorilla Glue and see if I can seal it up that way. Hope that one works out. Alright guys, so this is what I'm up to. Like I said, tab was broken, so I've matched it up, used some Gorilla Glue. Gorilla Glue, if you want to sponsor me, I'll take it. Then what I'm going to do is use a little bit of tape to kind of hold everything in place, and hopefully that will do it. So this is still drying. Seems pretty sturdy. Maybe not yet. Alright, well, we'll let it dry and we'll catch back up with it and see where we are. Alright, so just so you can see, it's been a few hours. You can see that the glue is holding. So this is what I did. Use the Gorilla Glue. I used a little bit of tape to hold it down. Looks pretty sturdy to me. So now, I'll put on the little rubber housing here. It's going to take a little while to get back because I've had it folded out. So with the heat, it'll soften it up and move it. And then I'm going to line everything up so we get a nice line. Make sure everything is nice and tight, looking great. And then tighten these down. We should be great. And the final. All the lines are in check. Just like the other side. Everything is squared up. And that's how she sits.